This video, I'm going to show you how you can separate audio from your video in Filmora. So I have here a video clip that I've just added on my timeline, but the problem is the audio is infused. It's together with the video, and listen in.
It's this incredible spice blend.
Now I want to go ahead and separate the two. To do so, it is quite simple. Once you have added your video on your timeline, go ahead and click on it, and then right click on it and look for the option called detach audio. And if you click on detach audio, now you can see the two have been separated. And if I go ahead and play, it will still be the same and everything okay. However, if I want to delete this now audio, I can just delete it and the video will be without audio. If you want to make now any adjustment on your audio here, you can now do so separately from your video. So that's how you can detach your audio from video in Filmora. If you have any other question, kindly let me know in the comment section. Otherwise, thanks for watching and let's meet in the next video.